Hi, it's Karen, the Weekend Craftaholic, and I just wanted to show you this box from Uniquely Creative. Just how cute it is. They always come in these really nice designs. Normally it's a 12 by 12. This is just more of an A4 size. I'm just covering my dress up with this, but I wanted to show you that. And then I also want to show you a bit of an unboxing. So we have got quite a few things to share with you. So the main reason I ordered this was for this mystery kit. Now, with all of the COVID restrictions around Australia, a couple of the craft fairs were cancelled. They were due to come to Perth in Western Australia back in May, I think it was. They did manage to do the Gold Coast or Queensland one, I can't remember which. They had lots of these mystery kits to sell at the stalls. It was a $50 one and a $30 one. The ones that they were left over they put on the website. I was too slow to get the 12 by 12 ones because I was at work at the time, but I did manage to grab one of the $30 ones. So I want to show you the unboxing. I've obviously not looked at it yet, so I just wanted to share with you what I've got. Oh, it is jam-packed. Look at this. Okay, so first of all, we've got some nice washi. Nice neutral colours in like a bit of a grid shape. We have got a metal die, and you can see this should have been $15. I only paid $30 for the entire bag. So this is pretty good value. It doesn't have a name on it, but that's all good. I'll find it off the website. We have got some embroidery threads. You know I love my embroidery, so that will definitely come in handy having extras of those. Some of the embellishments, the enamel shapes. These are from Dreamer. Yes, I thought I recognised them. So they had some of these in the advent calendar this year at Christmas. A little stamp as well. I feel like I may already have this. Posy. I'll have to check. These leaves, these are unusual, aren't they? This is called Sketchy Feather Trio. Oh, so they're not leaves, they're feathers. So that's unusual. More dies. Wow, there's a lot of dies in this kit. Do these match? Oh, wow. This is a bargain. So this is Flawed and Fabulous, yes, so the stamps and the dies. See, that in itself would normally be $45, so I have got myself an absolute bargain here. Favourite so far in the kit. Oh look, we've even got some papers. The Ollie Jolly Christmas from last year. Quickly open this up, give you a quick flip through. The traditional red colours with the greens. Some nice paisley ones, checked ones, as well as some cut apart sheets. You can never go wrong with extra Christmas paper. There's also some of the laser cuts. Just open this because it looks like they've squished them all in one packaging, which is good. Some mum and dad. Got some nice little random ones. Oh, there's 4 lots in here. This is a bargain. These are normally about $3 each. Hello, enjoy. Some nice flowers, butterflies, and love life as well. Ooh, really wish I'd have managed to get the $50 one. And then finally some cork alphas, which you can never have too many alphas. So I believe I've got myself a bargain here, absolute bargain. These are definitely my favourite. I'm going to put them to one side and play with them straight away. But what I normally do when I get new stamps and dies is just cut them out and keep them with the stamps. I know what they're going to look like and have them ready to go, as well as then stamp these out as well so I can see. So I am really pleased with all those goodies. And whilst I was ordering, I thought I'd grab a few more things. I got a couple of stencils. So I've been keeping my eye on these for a little while. These are $6 each. I think they're going to be good with texture paste to get some dimension going. I like the fade in, fade out look of this one. And this one as well, I've had my eye on for a while. This is a Cut Apart Essentials die number 6. So yes, that is my stash from Uniquely Creative. I'll be honest, I've already got another one on the way because they brought out a new quilling kit, which is something that I've been wanting to try for a while. I did buy this little quilling tool not long after getting my Cricut actually, because I saw lots of quilling projects on the Cricut, so all set to go for when that comes.